Hey, it's TJ again. Um, yeah, one word to safety, guys. I know it's sometimes inconvenient, and but especially if you work with loud machines like this, dusty machines like this, um, you want to have a thought of your safety gear. Um, in general, on a building site, if it's your home renovation or any other building site, most important thing is your shoe, yeah, so that you have a sturdy shoe. um, and I can show you this. You see, there's a steel cap in here, and this will prevent if something falls onto your foot, which can happen in an instant. It will just cut off your toes. Yeah, so always be aware of that. Next important thing are your earmuffs and your eye protection. Yeah, the earmuffs are for the noise, to make sure that you don't suffer hearing loss, and then naturally your glasses, which protect one of your most precious gifts, which are your eyes. Yeah, so always make sure that you wear your safety glasses, your earmuffs, and that you have your safety shoes on. Another thing is your gloves. There are many different types of gloves on the market, and you can have them in leather, or you can have them in synthetics with this grippy surface here meanwhile. And I use gloves for certain things that I do, like for instance, if I work with expandable foam, you know, stuff like that, where I don't want to have any of these chemicals have contact with my skin. So yeah, that is just a short word to safety. Now we have our wall down here, and so we just have our glass bricks standing here, which are sticking out of the wall, and we don't want to just bang them with a hammer, because it will disturb the existing structure, since all this mortar is this old. So what we'll do is I put on my safety gear, then I will take the angle grinder, because I don't have a wet saw here. Wet saw is actually an angle grinder with which you can connect to a water hose, so that you have less dust. So in this case here, we just have our angle grinder, and what you want to try is, since you can really cut here very close to the wall, you will always have to go in on an angle a little bit, and then cut it on the other side on an angle as well. Yeah, and like this, afterwards, when your renderer comes and renders your wall, you have it goes a little bit in like a V, and you will even have a better grip on that surface. Yeah, because you have a little bit more render on that spot. All right, I'll switch you off now for a sec, and I'll see you afterwards once I've cut this. Thanks.